All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do an install and a review of this garage insulation from US Energy Products. So I bought this kit off Amazon. It did come with a utility blade, a squeegee, and the double-sided tape. So we're going to go ahead and start insulating here. And I'll give you a review as far as how easy the install is. Apparently you put the double-sided tape, let's go down this panel because we have windows, backlight. You put the double-sided tape on each panel there, and then just cut your panel of insulation. So we'll see how well it works. We'll see how easy the install is. We'll go from there. I'll update you about halfway. Anyway, while we're waiting, remember, subscribe to the channel. Bam! And again, green backpack, you ever see me, it's in there. I've got stickers, just let me know. I'll give you one, couple, whatever. Yeah, I'll update you when we're about halfway through. All right, so we're about 3 panels in, as you guys can see. And it looks great from a distance, but when you get up close, this is when you see the flaws in this system. There's cracks here. Cracks, there's space. So, the idea behind this, I had a German foreign exchange student, and he explained German engineering for the housing, which is keep the heat out before it actually gets in. So this is kind of the same concept, creating a barrier between the outside and the inside. So I see where this system really would work and is going to work, but you will need a little bit extra, like maybe foil tape or white tape. I guess I'm not sure which route I'm going to go yet, but right at the seams, because it's near impossible, because you're going to get up in here. It's near impossible to get right to the actual support structure, if you will, of the or channel of the garage door. But again, from afar, those flaws are very hard to see. It looks great from here. It's going to do its job for insulating, but again, these are the minor flaws. So let me finish this up, and then also going to insulate that. So let me button that up. Don't forget, you will have to take your little support strut off so that you don't have to create extra cuts or try and finagle it back there. But I'm going to go ahead and button this up, touch base once I get it all hung, and then by then hopefully I can brainstorm what I'm going to do in these little sections for each area. So stay tuned. All right, the garage is insulated. Well, part of it. I didn't get those 6 panels yet. I will. Probably tomorrow morning, maybe. I gotta move the Ducati and the Grom, and anyway. But after hanging 12 panels, I feel like I can give a full review without being too biased. So neglect that not being done, and this was 6 panels. Sorry, 12 panels, double wide garage. I still stand by even as I went by. So this was the first panel I hung, and that was the last panel I hung. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I am going to have to touch up the edges, and I still stand by that. Even down here, it was very hard to get all the way sealed up. Other than that, I mean, it looks good from a distance. This looks outstanding. As soon as we get up there and we start inspecting kind of where the seams of the panels are, here you can see where, okay, my cuts aren't perfectly straight, but it is what it is. It's an aftermarket insulation for the door. But I will be able to touch up the edges, so those will look better. So there's no big deal there. But anyway, when it's all said and done, feeling how cold it is. Look, snow. Feeling how cold the door is here, and then feeling what it is here. It definitely keeps the elements outside where they belong. And honestly, the product you know, is $100 basically for a double wide, and then $100 and you're going to have some left over there. This was actually one kit, and I still have this much left, but I think I can only get away with 5 panels for that. So I think one kit's going to cover maybe like 2.5 stalls. I'm hoping that I can get all the way done, but if not, no big deal. I did buy the second kit there, so I'll have some leftovers, maybe be able to sell it to somebody. But all in all, to be honest, guys, it's so one, they give you everything you need, everything. Maybe not everything, because I did end up using a T-square to get some straighter cuts. But other than that, I mean, they give you the double-sided tape, they give you the squeegee to make sure you've got a good adhesive both on the insulation and the door. They give you the knife, which I still have in my pocket, so you can cut the material. It cuts with a breeze. I mean, that thing just cuts through like hot knife and butter. So good there. The product is adequate. I'm not going to say it's superb, and I'm not going to say that it's terrible. The installation is easy, and it does what it needs to do. You know, at the end of the day, I really want this garage to be a finished garage. And, you know, is there potentially a better product? Yes. For the price, probably not. Like I said, $100 for 2.5 stalls. I can't complain. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and give this this product a thumbs up. I really liked it. It was an easy install, does what it needs to do, and definitely going to keep the temperatures in here better. So don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. And just a reminder, again, I have stickers. Just ask me if you see me. I'll give you one or a couple so you can give some to your friends and be like, hey, this guy's cool, even though I'm not. But anyway, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you later.